Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing the Miss Universe 2019 makeup. So as you know, is a dark-skinned girl. She is from South Africa. So I cannot pronounce her name right, so don't come at me. Okay. So her name is Zozibini Tunzi. Perfect. So she is from South Africa. Her speech was quite different from each year. Like one of the things that she did say, it was like when they asked her what was the most important thing, like the image for her, and she basically said that growing up she never saw people in this status looking like her. And I find her quite different because she is a beautiful black woman. First, the second thing is that she have the hair, like the cut of the hair. I don't know, like I can never wear short hair. I know that, like, for me, but she rock it. I was like, oh, she have a Black Panther powerful style. Like I was like, damn, I like her. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Actually, I would love for you to subscribe if you did like this kind of makeup video ideas. If you want me to maybe try to do another one, anybody's makeup, that would be my pleasure. If you have any other suggestion for my kind of videos, if you are more into my fashion videos or more my get ready videos, do not hesitate to tell me below and comment. And also, by the way, today is the video that I will be giving away my beautiful bag that I did do. I'm gonna put like the link to this, like, or maybe a card here. I will do it at the end of the video, or maybe I will do it through the video, I don't know yet, to give the giveaway winner name. So I am quite happy about this. So thank you guys for sticking with me, and thank you to all of you new subscribers. I am very happy that you have joined this journey with me. And yeah, so let's get right back into it because I've been talking for too long. It's been 3 minutes and I couldn't stop talking. So yeah, let's go into it. So the first thing that I'm gonna use is the Charlotte Magical Cream. Last time I didn't like get the time to like really see how it is gonna work on my skin. So you don't need a lot. So for the eyes, we will be using, of course, yes, the Jackie Aina palette. So when I saw the makeup she was wearing, I was like, I think she's wearing Zam with a mix of ginger and credit, because it's like, so maybe a little bit of edges. So this was the palette that spoke to me more. I'm gonna prime with my lovely Urban Decay. To start, I'm gonna use my concealer, Trusty concealer. It have been used. This is by L'Oreal Infallible, and this is in the color Honey. They don't have a lot of shades for black girls, but Honey, I do find it like it can go with a lot of shades, so that is good for them. So I'm just gonna line a little bit my brow bone. So first thing first that we are gonna use is ginger. This one is my favorite. It is by BH Cosmetic. I have also this one by Morphe, but this one, I feel like it just do the job. It's quite big sometimes, so you really have to now be heavy-handed. So yeah, can you see the pigmentation? And again with ginger, so we are putting ginger all over. It's weird because it's quite brown, but it come like a little bit like a different brown. I like that. So So let's go. Now that we have ginger all over, so basically everything like from my to put in the shade Zam and to put in the shade Zoros got cut, and I'm pissed, but I'm gonna show you again what did I do on top of that. So basically my camera got me fucked up. I don't like to use bad words, but it is quite difficult when you're trying so hard to do something so very professional and it's not working your way. So basically I took the shade Zam and put it from there to half of the inner to all the way there. Okay, I'm just gonna pack it on the seam and pack it so. After, I use a pointy, very precise, so this is the Luxe Petite Crease by Zoeva. So you can use it on your crease, but I like to use it on my inner corner. And I took the shade Duolos and I started in the inner corner and I go upwards, okay, into the Zam shade. Same thing here, into the Zam shade. Okay, and that you can see. So after that, I retook my very pointy, so this one is by Morphe, and I took ginger, you know, that was the shade we started with, and I take it outside, and then I went and I came and blended all the way there. So same thing here, ginger, tap it in and blend it. There we go. So this is the look. After that, we are gonna put our beautiful lashes. This is by Ardell. On the picture, she have basically a beautiful, beautiful like lashes going in, but not too in, like, and there's have more volume. So we are gonna do that. So I'm gonna put on my, of course, lashes, and I will get right back in. And I hope with this C portrait that I did show you that you saw what to do, and I'm very sorry. I said she have a very natural skin going on. So what we are gonna do is that we already did prime my face with the Charlotte Tilbury. It got really swooped in. So because she have this very natural and glowy look, we are just gonna tap in the Embryolis just to give it like this kind of moisturizing going on. And we are gonna put the beautiful NARS Radiant, so in the shade Macao. So we are just put it in the foundation. So the brush have glided all the way in. Now we are just like tapping it into the skin with the Booty Blender. This is the NC45, and this is one of my Sudafix Perfecting Stick. Very like heavy cream. I think that it will look very natural. Now that we have put in our beautiful concealer, we are just gonna highlight. Like, I'm not gonna go into the crease with it. and just a little on the nose. We don't need to go crazy. So we are gonna use the Huda Beauty in, so what is it, pencil liner, and we are actually gonna smooth eyeliner, like wing liner, and taking credit in the Jackie Aina palette. I'm just gonna go over it to have it smoke out. Now we're gonna blend the concealer out. So for the face, we are gonna use the Translucent by Laura Mercier. So I have put a little bit in that, just a little bit, and taking the Beauty Blender, just gonna take like just this, tap it off, and take it in again, tap it off. We are not baking. We're packing. I call that packing because there you go. Taking my pencil by Huda Beauty, and you can take your beauty blender and you just like take it and you do this like that. I'm gonna use the Morphe E4 to do the bronzing. So as you know, Bobbi Brown, know how to do it, so I always start like very harsh and then with the rest like up, take it like this. MAC resin, so this is MAC resin like that. It is a beautiful color. So take your blush and I'm trying to put, I don't put like a lot of blush on my face, but she even have it all the way up there, you know. So yeah, still have this natural glow. And in order to have this natural glow, you have this translucent medium deep. So this is the Glow one by Laura Mercier. It's like that, and it's very, very natural glowy, and it's presented so. So I was thinking about where, but we are gonna go with Morning Color to other line. So it is like a little bit of, then I'm gonna take Strip Down, no, not Strip Down, Spice. I'm gonna take Spice. And then I'm just gonna put Gloss Bomb all over it to make sure to have like, this is the makeup. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, so do not forget to subscribe. And because some of you guys have subscribed to my channel, so I wanted really to say thank you to each one of you. And by the way, I'm gonna give the giveaway winner. is, I'm gonna put her name right there. I will be contacting you by DM on your Instagram, and that you can give me all your info. Yes, you beautiful lady, and I will be very happy to send this beautiful bag to you. And it was very my pleasure to do this giveaway for you guys. Maybe when I reach 1K, I will really do one, because this one, it was just because I was starting back, and I have received a lot of like views that I was waiting for like 5 to 10, because when you take a break and you come back on YouTube, basically it is like starting over. So I knew that I was starting over. So thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. We are now 230, and let's get this channel to 1K. This is my objective for 2020, maybe like before 2020. If I can make it before 2020, I will be so happy. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and congrats to you, my beautiful giveaway winner. And also do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you like content like this. I do fashion, beauty, and everything. And by the way, if you have any ideas for me, so yeah, I'll be happy to do it. Okay, so thank you guys, and have a nice day. Bye bye. Mwah.